is, I would like to know what vitamins or supplements I need to achieve optimal health right now. Great question. So the three major supplements or vitamins that I use and would guide others to use on a daily basis are these three Ayurvedic herbs. Number one is ashwagandha. Now you can get ashwagandha in a capsule form, a jam form, or a powder form. Number two would be triphala, or triple fruits, which is again an Ayurvedic herb. And number three would be called Brahmi, Brahmi, which again is an Ayurvedic herb. And I'd guide anyone to take 2 of these capsules daily. You can have it in the morning is best, or you can have it in the evening. But take 2 of those daily each day to optimise your health, because it'll support balancing out your whole system. If you want to connect with me more or come and be a part of my retreats or courses and learn more about this stuff to optimise your health even more, please go to www.uniquecommunity.com.au, head to experiences, and all their experiences are there for you to come along and be a part of. Otherwise, just follow the guidance of those 3 supplements that can optimise your health. And please check back in, let me know how optimised your health is becoming once you start taking these tablets. And until then, please take care, and I hope to see you soon. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, however I have doctors that support me on the other side. So when I can see dysfunction in your body, they support me to understand what the dysfunction is and also how to treat that dysfunction. I also tap in to my studies in Ayurvedic medicine to support with understanding the dysfunction and how to treat the dysfunction. However, if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to go and see your doctor as the first point of call.